3, 2, 1, roll. Oh shit, got that wrong. I'm rolling already. Anyway, so you've got a small problem with your scooter. You're finding you're pulling the accelerator back, the scooter won't go anywhere and it cuts out. Now here is a possibility of what it could be. So make sure you listen in. Excuse all this mess. This is just motorcycle repair Torbay in progress. Anyway, let's cut the crap and let's get straight to it. So basically, this Gilera Runner 125, I think it's a 2001 with the Lido engine, came in because when you pull the throttle back, it would just cut out. I had a good chat with the customer. He told me that the drive hasn't been looked at for a very long time, and we both agreed that I would look here first. Now, it was a bloody good thing because this is what we found. So basically, there's your variator. There's the variator backing plate. Now, between these two, you have these, which is rollers. Now, that one is what it's supposed to look like. But if you look at the other ones, like this one, you can see it's completely trashed and the metal weight is actually fallen out of the casing. And you can see it's been trapped in between the back of the variator plate and the variator. Now, this will cause this drive out here to run to the top of the pulley. So it'd be like pulling in 6th gear in a car. It would just cut out. Exactly what this bike was doing. Now, the main purpose of this video is obviously you're watching it because your bike's cutting out. The first thing in that scenario is check your drive. That is the easiest solution. It might not be anything to do with that, but you sort of can feel it as well. You'll get more vibration than you would normally. That is a good indication that it is something to do with the CVT transmission. So if you need to know any more, if you've got a problem like this, make sure you message us. We're Motorcycle Repair Torbay. We've been in the business now for over 10 years. So we have got a good knowledge on most motorcycles. So make sure you like, share and subscribe. And make sure you check the rest of our videos, and also TikTok and every other platform we use. Facebook, that's always a good one. See you soon.